Okay, number A, X and Y. X is non-metal and Y non-metal. They can make ionic compound? No, because they are non-metal and will be negative ion, so there is no electrostatic attraction occur between them because they have the same charge. Okay, so number one, it's what? It's false. Number two, W and X, we said they cannot make ionic compound. Number C, W and Y. W contain 2, they will lose it, and Y need 2 to gain it. So the correct answer, it will be what? W and Y. WY compound, because W turned 2 electron and turned it into positive ion, and Y gain this 2 electron and turn it into negative ion. So the correct answer is C. Okay. What is the properties of ionic compound? Ionic compound, most of them dissolve in water. Most of ionic compound dissolve in water, and both their aqueous solution, solution in water, aqueous solution, that means solution that dissolve in water. Okay, and their moltons can conduct electricity. They conduct electricity. Ionic compound conduct electricity, and their melting point and boiling point are high. So the properties of ionic compound: number one, dissolve in water. Number two, both their aqueous solutions and their moltons can conduct electricity. Number three, melting point and boiling point are what? High. Okay. Test your understanding. Number one, which of the following describe both calcium atom and calcium ion? They are isotopes? No, they're not isotopes. Number two, they have the same number of proton, as we said, the atom and ion equal in the number of proton. Nucleons don't change. Proton and neutron don't change. So the correct answer is B. Okay? B. Number two, which of the following ions has same electron configuration of argon atom? Okay? Argon atom is what? 18. Okay? F fluorine 9, 2p ion. When it be ion, it will gain 1 electron and become like Ne10, so it falls. Na11, it will lose the valence electron and become 10 also. Al13, it will lose the valence electron 3 and become 10 also. But S, sulfur 16, 16 to 8, 6, so it will gain 2 electron and become like what? Like argon atom. So the correct answer is D. Okay. Number three, which of the following represents the bonding in sodium bromine compound? Number one, Na-Br. The ionic bond not represented by dash, so it falls. Number two, Na lose 1 electron and Br become filled with electron, so it's the correct answer. Okay. But number D, it's false. Why? Because what? Because the dots don't written here. Okay. The dots, the Lewis dot around Br don't written. Okay. So the correct answer is B. Number four, all the following describe the properties of potassium iodine. Ki. Okay. K19, and I is halogen. So its outermost contains 7, so it will gain 1 electron, and K, it will lose this electron and make ionic compound. All of these properties of potassium iodine, except they will make ionic compound, as we said. So it's dissolved in water, yes. Its melting point is high, yes. It's electrically neutral, yes, because the number of positive charge equal negative charge in the ionic compound. Number D, the two ions of the compound have same electron configuration? No, 2. Mark true or false next to the each following statements which describe the bonding of magnesium and oxygen. As we said, magnesium is metal and oxygen is non-metal, so there's electrostatic attraction occur between them and form ionic compound. Each magnesium atom loses 2 electrons and each oxygen atom gain 1 electron only. It's false, gain 2 electrons also. The lost electron for magnesium, it will be gained by oxygen. Number 2, oxygen atom form an ion with 2 negative charge. Yes, it will gain 2 electron and become negative ion that contain 2 negative charge. Number 3, electron sharing occur between magnesium and oxygen atom. They are share with electron? No, there's gain and lose. Magnesium atom form an ion with 2 positive charge. Yes, true. It will lose 2 electron and become Mg positive 2. Okay? Now we will talk about the second type of chemical bonding that's called covalent bonding. Covalent bonding, it occurs between 2 atoms of same nonmetal or different nonmetal. So covalent bond occur between nonmetals only. Nonmetals only. Okay? May be same and may be different. Like O2. O2, it's a molecule of element that formed due to covalent bonding between 2 atoms of oxygen. Okay? Between 2 atoms of oxygen. So identical atom, so it called molecule of element. But CO2, C carbon, it's non-metal, and oxygen non-metal also. So there is a bond occur between them called covalent bond because the both are non-metal, and they are different, so that's called molecule of compound. So covalent bond can form molecule of element and molecule of compound. Why? Because it can occur between or arise between 2 same non-metal element or 2 different non-metal element. Okay? And that occur by sharing electron. For example, H1, okay? H1 contain 1 electron. And another atom of H contain 1 electron. Both of them need to reach the stable electron configuration of closest inert gas. That's what He2. This atom of H of hydrogen want to be 2 and this atom want to be 2 also. So what happened now? This atom of hydrogen will share its valence electron, 1 valence electron, with the another atom of hydrogen. So the boss will have what? Will have 2 electron in the same time. H bonded to H, okay? Hydrogen bonded to hydrogen, and represented by dash. This dash mean pair of electron. One of electron from this atom and the other from the another atom. So covalent bond occur due to what? Due to sharing electrons between 2 atoms. I have 1 and the other have 1. We will share other valence electron with each other. So I will have 2 and the other atom will have what? 2 also. Okay? The covalent bond occur when each atom shares the number of electrons equal the number of electrons needed to complete the outermost energy level without lose or gain. Lose or gain don't happen in this type of bond. Okay? Share electrons only. For example, HCl. HCl. H is what? H is non-metal gas. Contain 1 electron in the outermost. Need to reach to helium-2 to be stable. Okay? So it need 1 electron. And Cl Cl17 need to reach to argon 18. So it need one electron also. So what happened now? The hydrogen and the chlorine will share their valence electron with each other. Hydrogen will share with one, and chlorine will share with the unpaired electron in the outermost, and become what? Become HCl, hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. It's what? It's a covalent molecule. Covalent molecule. Okay? Covalent compound molecule because it contain different atoms. Okay? So now what happened? The both atom shared their unpaired valence electron. And we said the covalent bond represented by dash. This dash equal, or that mean, pair of electron. One electron from Cl and the other electron from H, hydrogen. Okay? And we have three types of bond, covalent bond. Number 1, single covalent bond. Number 2, double covalent bond. Number 3, triple covalent bond. That equal what? Single or double or triple? Equal the pair of electron. If we have two atoms shared one electron from this atom and the other from another atom, so we have one pair of electron. One pair of electron. So it's called single covalent bond. But in oxygen contain two unpaired electrons. So when one atom of oxygen bonded to another atom of oxygen, there's what? There's two pair of electron. Two pair of electron. Look at this. Oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are what? There are two unpaired electrons. Okay, so one covalent bond occur between this pair of electron and the other covalent bond occur between these two of electron. So we have what? We have two dash, two pair of electron. So that's called double covalent bond. Okay. So again, single covalent bond such as hydrogen molecules. Okay, hydrogen molecule. Each hydrogen atom shared its valence electron to form pair of electron H and H. Each one of them contain one electron, so we have one pair of electron. Okay, so that's called single covalent bond. And in water molecule, the oxygen atom shared two unpaired valence electron, with each hydrogen atom share its valence electron. That form what? One single covalent bond between each hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen have two unpaired electron. One of them shared with this hydrogen and the other shared with the another hydrogen. Okay? So we have two single covalent bond. Okay? And number 2, double covalent bond, as we said, like oxygen molecule, each oxygen atom shared its two valence electron with the other atom to form two pairs of electron. So it's represented by 2 dash. The last type called triple covalent bond, that occur in what? Between nitrogen atom and the other nitrogen atom. Nitrogen molecule. Each nitrogen atom share its three unpaired valence electron to form three electron pairs, which form together one triple covalent bond. As we see, we have N contain 5 electrons in the outermost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So there's what? There's 3 unpaired electrons. Okay? Plus another N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Contain 3 also. So we have 3 pairs of electrons. One pair. Okay? 2 pair, and 3 pair. So it's written by 1, 2, 3, and we will put the Lewis dots. So it will be triple covalent bond because there are 3 pairs of electrons. 3 pairs of electrons from this atom of nitrogen and the other atom shared their valence electron with each other and make 3 covalent bond that called triple covalent bond. 3 dashes that called triple covalent bond. Okay, so we have 3 type of covalent bond called single, double, triple. If asked you, give reason. Covalent bonding may result in the formation of molecule of compound, as we said before, because it arises between what? 2 atoms of different non-metal element. Compound that mean different element, okay? But molecule of element that mean same or identical element, okay? Look at this. Use dots and dashes to represent valence electron and covalent bond in the ammonia NH3, okay? Its symbol NH3, okay? Now we will complete this equation. 3H, H contain what? Contain 1 electron, 1 unpaired electron. And N contain what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we said before, it contains 5 electron. So we have 3 unpaired. Each one of them need 1 electron to complete its outermost. So we need what? 3 atoms of hydrogen, because one of nitrogen shared with one of hydrogen, and the other shared with the other atom, and the other shared with the third atom. So we will have what? 3 single covalent bonds between nitrogen and hydrogen, and we will put the pair of electron above in nitrogen, okay? So you'll have what? 3 single covalent bonds. The second question, look at this. We have a figure X and Y, okay? Y contain what in the outermost? Look at this. Y contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? And X contain what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So the first choice, that mean 287 outermost contain 7. X contain 7? No, it contain 5. So the first choice is false. Second choice B, X C6. Look at this. C6 that mean 2, 4. Outermost contain 4. X here contain 4? No. So it what? It false. Number C, X in 7. N7, 2, 5. That mean outermost contain 7. Look at this. X contain what? 5. Okay? Outermost contain 5. And Y, Cl17, 2, 8, 7. That mean its outermost contain 7. Look at Y. Contain 7. So, number C, it's the correct choice. Okay? Correct choice. Now we will see the properties of covalent compound. Number 1, most of them not dissolve in water. Not dissolve in water. It's the opposite of the properties of ionic compound. Ionic compound, most of them was dissolve in water, but covalent not dissolve in water. Ionic compound that conduct electricity, but covalent not conduct electricity. Ionic compound, its melting point and boiling point is high, but covalent compound is low. Okay? So again, the properties of covalent bond. Number 1, most of them don't dissolve in water. Number 2, most don't conduct electricity. Number 3, their melting and boiling point are low. They are the opposite of properties of ionic compound. It's a comparison between ionic bonding and covalent bonding. Number one, ionic bonding occur between positive ion of metal and negative ion of non-metal, but covalent bonding occur between two atoms of the same non-metal or two atoms of different non-metal. Okay, ionic bond involves lose and gain electron, but covalent bond sharing electron, not gain, not lose. Okay, and ionic bonding cannot occur between two atoms of the same element because they have the same charge, so no electrostatic attraction occur between them. But covalent bond can occur between two atoms of the same element and give us molecule of element. Ionic compound result from electrostatic attraction between positive ion and negative ion, but covalent compound occur when each atom of a bonded pair shares one or more unpaired valence electron. That occur due to sharing of electron, but this due to electrostatic attraction between positive ion and negative ion. Ionic bonding produce only molecule of compound because it occurs between different elements, but covalent bond may produce element molecule and may produce compound molecule. Now we will see comparison between sodium chloride compound and hydrogen chloride compound. Sodium chloride, sodium is metal and chloride non-metal, so it what ionic compound. But hydrogen chloride, hydrogen is non-metal, chloride is non-metal, so it what covalent compound. Okay. Number two, bonding of molecule. Ionic compound formed due to what? Electrostatic attraction between sodium cation and chloride anion. And hydrogen chloride, it formed due to share unpaired valence electrons from chlorine atom with unpaired valence electron from hydrogen atom. Okay. Physical state of sodium chloride solid, okay, but hydrogen chloride is gas. Melting point and boiling point, we said ionic compound high and covalent compound it's low. Reactivity with caustic soda or sodium hydroxide solutions. Sodium chloride doesn't react with caustic soda. And hydrogen chloride react with caustic soda. Okay. And the last part of this lesson, unique properties of carbon atom. Carbon atom, its atomic number equals 6. Okay, so its outermost contain 4 single electron, unpaired electron. So the carbon have very unique properties because of their ability to bond with each other in organic compound in one of 3 forms. May bond together in one of 3 forms. Okay, the first form, straight chain or continuous chain. Straight chain, that mean has or represented by one line. Okay, one line without any cuts. But branched chain like this, we move one line, but there is cut occur here. Okay, so that's called branched chain. And the third form, cyclic structure or cycles or rings, like a ring, start and end at the same point, like this, like a circle. Okay, look at this note. All the following structure or skeletons are straight or continuous carbon chain. Look at this. When I move on this chain, I move in one line. Okay, I move in what? One line. Look at this. I move in what? One line also without any cut. Look at this. I move in one line also without any cut. And this, I move in one line without any cut. So all of this called straight or continuous chain, okay? And the simplest organic compound called methane, CH4. It is the simplest compound, organic compound, okay? Organic compounds, they are compounds that contain carbon mainly bonded to hydrogen, okay? Mainly contain carbon bonded to hydrogen. Methane, it's simplest molecule of an organic compound where one carbon atom bonded to four hydrogen atoms through four single covalent bonds. Carbon is a nonmetal and hydrogen is nonmetal also, so there's covalent bonds occur between them or arise between them. Okay, now we will solve these questions. Choose the correct answer. A and B are two non-metal elements. Non-metal, so covalent bond arise between them. Okay, non-metal, so a covalent bond arise between them. If the number of electrons in the last energy level of B greater than the number of electrons A in the element A, okay? Which of the following correct about the compound composed of them? The atom A donate electron to atom B. Donate, that mean give. Okay? In covalent bond, there is a gain or lose? No. So it's false. Number 2. The two atoms A and B share the electron and form a covalent compound. This is what? This is true. Share occur between them and form covalent compound. Okay? Number 2. What is the number of covalent bond in water molecule? We said molecule H2O. H2O. Okay? So, O make one single covalent bond with one hydrogen atom and another single covalent bond with the other hydrogen atom. So we have what? We have two single bonds. Two single bonds, okay? Two single bonds. Number 3, how many electrons are required for bonding between two nitrogen atoms? We said nitrogen contains 3 unpaired electrons in the outermost. So it will make what? It will make bonding, triple covalent bonding, and required 6 electrons to form it. Triple covalent, that means 3 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 electrons, okay? Number 4, you can see this figure, X bonded to Y, and there is a double covalent bond between them. So, the number of electrons in Y and X equal what? Equal each other. This is contain 2 paired and 2 paired, 4 paired electron in Y and X, okay? And there is a 2 covalent bond or double covalent bond between them. Each covalent bond equal pair of electron. So, Y contain 6 electron and X contain 6 electron also. So we will choose what? We will choose B. X oxygen and Y oxygen also. Number A say X nitrogen and Y hydrogen. But it falls because the two elements have the same number of electrons. But nitrogen contain 5 electron in the outermost and hydrogen contain 1 electron in the outermost. And number C, it's false also because it's a Xn and Yn. Xn nitrogen and Y nitrogen, and we said nitrogen has triple covalent bond, not 2 covalent bond, so it falls also. Okay. Number 5, the following are 4 carbon structure or skeletons Each of them contain 4 carbon atoms. How many these carbon skeleton are branched? Branched, that means there is a cut happen in the line. Number 1, go to through it, 1 line. Number 2, 1 line, but it cut to take this carbon, okay? So it what? Branched. Number 3, move in 1 line. Number 4, 1 line, but it cut. So we have what? We have two branched skeleton, okay? 2 branched chain.